Hi, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today I'm going to go over how to remove and replace components on your CF-RV17-21 gas range. And now I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your manual igniter. Remove your igniter knob. You're going to need to remove the LED light board. Remove the 2 screws holding that in place. To make it easier, I'm going to cut the black and red wire from that LED light board and remove it and get it out of my way. Pull this little opaque or clear ring. Remove the 2 screws from the igniter. Remove your bezel. You can reach inside and remove the igniter. And then remove all the igniter wires. They are glued in, just pull them out. And it doesn't matter which one is in which position. And that's how you remove your manual igniter. Now to reinstall it, just plug in all your igniter wires. They simply just push in and then reinstall your igniter through the hole. And get it lined up. Get your bezel and ensure that the arrow is facing up. The screws go on the outside hole of the bezel. Grab my screw. Gently run these screws in. Install your plastic ring. Now you can feed your LED light board wires back through. Reinstall the 2 screws for the board. Don't over tighten these, you can crack your board. Reinstall your knob. And then you need to reconnect your black and red wires for your LED board. Twist the black wires together. Insert your bell cap. Crimp it. Ensure you have a good connection. Twist your 2 red wires together. Install your bell cap. Crimp. Ensure you have a good crimp. Give it a good tug, ensure that it's a good connection. And that is how you swap out your manual igniter on your CF-RV17-21 gas range.